I think a lot of people's expectation of the countryside is that it's beautiful with wildflowers and picking blackberries and sparkling cider, but the reality is a whole load muckier than that. The advantage of the inside of a house is it doesn't have as much mud. Years ago, I did a show with the World Wildlife Fund, and I learned an awful lot about the amount of really, really nasty chemicals that are in the products that we use around our home. Finally, I've come across a product made from completely plant-based ingredients, which has actually been used for the last 10 years in schools and hospitals and even the royal household. And it works. Now you can buy it in Waitrose. And the packaging is made from recycled plastic, and that's really important. There's a big difference between recycled and recyclable. This is both. Boys?
Yeah? Yeah?
Can you clean the bathroom?
That wasn't us.
We all want to use a green product that doesn't cost the earth. Until now, I haven't found a product that actually works.
You spray or wipe?
This ticks the boxes. You can have a clean house and a clean conscience.